If Vybz Kartel was supposed to be free tomorrow morning and make a choice to enter politics, would you vote for Vybz Kartel as the new Prime Minister of Jamaica? Do you think Vybz Kartel would do a better job than our current Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Anjo Holness? If Vybz Kartel should be the Prime Minister, would he be able to create jobs for Jamaicans? Would he be able to raise our social and economical status? Me not disrespect nobody, but the party of who not understand what me mean when me say social and economical status. Big ol' idiot. How you finna know that, dog? It means say we know how to communicate information and get things done better, brethren, when we can understand each other by way of communication, dog. It means say when you talk, me comprehend what you say, brother, and me understand what you say, dog, and then therefore me can able to respond to you. Imagine say you can't swim, zine, and you go link one of your friend where you know is a big swimmer, and you ask him to teach you how to swim, zine. And your friend say, alright, watch ya, come carry go down at the river. And your friend carry you go down at the river and tell you to chuck off in the deepest part of the river without even give you the first swimming lesson, the first idea of to keep your head above the water and not drown. Alright, that's when you realize that your friend has no sense. He only can swim, but he don't know how to illustrate the skills what you need to swim and keep yourself afloat in the water. But watch a part you know. Suppose your friend that show you how to swim, but you just can't comprehend everything he might tell you. I say, dog, I don't understand, dog. He might say, yo, when you go into the water, you have to puggle your hand and your foot them so. And you still did it, I say. I don't understand, dog. I don't know how to do it, dog. It simply means that your level of comprehension is worse than for one. I never know what for class as somebody there. It means that you're not no farmer understanding. It means that no matter if your friend use your one hand and foot and a swim and a show you say, look, your hand and foot me I use and a swim, and you still not understand. You just can't get it. That means that you're socially dark, you dunce. You don't have no level of comprehension. You can't understand nothing, not even half and bullfoot. So when me ask you if you think Vybz Kartel will be able to raise Jamaica's social status and make Jamaicans start communicate on a better level, which will most definitely bring better cooperation among Jamaican people and eradicate complication. Miscommunication leads to complication, and complication causes all type of madness. And we're tired of madness in Jamaica. As it relates to economical growth, if Vybz Kartel should become the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, will he be able to raise Jamaica's economical growth and developments? One more time, me not disrespect nobody, but for the idiot them out there who don't understand what I mean when me say economical growth and development, it means Vybz Kartel must be able to come up with innovative ideas and strategies on how to revitalize the economy, create more jobs, and most definitely impact our country's GDP. Imagine if Jamaicans start produce most of the things them want to consume and stop and depend on outside supplier, and in turn we now start supplying the outside market them outside of Jamaica with our produce and bring in the money, brethren. So economical growth is surety if we can able to bring Jamaica to the place there. You think Vybz Kartel are the man for the job? Do you think that Vybz Kartel will be able to merge diplomatical relationships with other nations across the world? What policies could Vybz Kartel implement in order to assist Jamaica in growth and development? Without a doubt, we know the influence of a Vybz Kartel, and we also know the impact it has on Jamaican society and also across the world. As the Prime Minister of Jamaica, could Vybz Kartel use his influence to stop the gunmen from killing, or at least to decrease the impact of crime and violence in our country? Imagine all of Jamaica a Gaza nation? Would you want to be a member of that nation, the Gaza nation? When you think about Gaza, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Do you see a peaceful environment where everyone is working together for the betterment of each other? Do you see a nation of people who understand the plight of every living man and woman and child? Is the Gaza nation the solution for Jamaica's welfare? Under the governance of the Gaza, do you see a better generation emerging where parents knows their responsibility and display such responsibility in order to raise a healthy family, where moral, self-esteem and self-value are practiced in a Gaza society? Or will the Gaza society be a society of lawless thugs that shows no regards for the law of the land, but instead be respected and glorified for being a notorious killer? The more dope you make, the more you climb to the top of the social ladder. And it's mandatory for every dark-skinned Jamaican to bleach them skin until them white like a snow, and every Gaza female is expected to give them man bun every chance they get. And they are also expected to carry on with all type of freaky activities, suck all type of mahogany, lignum vitae, cedar, mahua, bitter wood. And if them ever mention to one of the Gaza thugs them to return no favor like such, they gonna get some big. Hey, you know how the Gaza running up. Girls start learn how to broke out at a tender age. You see the pre, and everybody at work to achieve the mafia degree. Viewers and subscribers, what you think? You think Vybz Kartel could have able to make Jamaica a better country? You think Vybz Kartel has what it takes? Or you feel say Muna just make Jamaica worse? You think Muna just make a mess of the country? Do you think other countries would be interested to trade or do any form of business with Jamaica if Vybz Kartel is the Prime Minister? Me know for sure, say Street Vibes Rum would have make a great comeback. You can find it on every shelf, in a every bar, every supermarket, and every liquor store. Dancehall would have never stall. Every corner would have a sound string up. Every day, Nice Abatement Act would be inactive. And a regular, the Gaza Party members who are members of Parliament are get beaten for any violation where them pull off. Imagine Sean Storm as the Commissioner of Police. The Director of Public Prosecution would be out of a job and be sent to prison for a very lengthy stay. The production and export of marijuana would be at an all-time high, soaring to new heights. All of Vybz Kartel fans who say Gaza, please don't bother start attack me in the comment section, but instead take the opportunity to exercise your social ability. Make we see how receptive you are to proper information and how best your brain process that information and respond in a sensible manner, because remember, you represent the Gaza President Vybz Kartel. And you know say Vybz Kartel is a very intelligent individual. And guess what again? You see the comment section where you go left your comment, it will be used to carry out a survey to see what percentage of the Gaza followers are in this matter the Gaza residents. We are going to use the comment section to see what percentage of a Gaza society that understand the purpose of social ability and how to use it at its optimum level in order to start and maintain a dialogue. Small mind talk about people, average mind talk about events, and great minds discuss ideas. You may ask, what is my idea in all of this? My idea is to see what percentage of a certain type of people. You may say Gaza, you may say Jamaican. Do we take the right approach whenever we are engaging each other in a conversation towards solving a problem or even to build together for a positive growth? And for those who may not be as socially inclined and your vocabulary does not have the extended amount of words in which you would like to use and express yourself, make your confidence push you forward. Do it in the way how you know how to do it, but just try to make the best representation of yourself socially. Try to do it with less bad words and angry response. After everything what me explain from start to finish, you still want to go into the comment section go cuss and galang bad? Yo, check yourself before you wreck yourself. Because if you don't own your own life, somebody are gonna take yourself.
Look on the life we living. Look on the life we living. Look on the life we living. It's a better way we seeking.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.